Assalamualaikum. Good morning and magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Good morning to everyone. Kaya Overhauled everybody. Now we are again as usual. I would like to welcome to everyone for watching my video regarding about on how our machine well started after the overhauling and fix the problem. So I am here just to check the problem or check the machine, double check what I mean, sorry. We will see if there is any unusual trouble it comes out while we do the testing procedure, because this machine is based on the mechanic. This machine is ready. Okay, so I am here just to finalize and check very carefully everything, like for example oil pressure sensor. So you can see right now there is an available pressure, but it is not the pressure as declaring or as what we want to see, because from now on the engine is still not starting. Okay, I just only switch it on and adapt the laptop to start my testing procedure to identify if there is an other or any unusual trouble that comes out, or any unusual maybe it becomes a big problem. So I have to finalize right now. Okay, actually this fuel is 950H, as we can see here. Yeah, is C7 engine and 950H. Okay, so this video I would like to share just to make it sure that our machine will be run on our project like the same as 100% running or powerful, or as we need good condition, and we will require that the machine will run very well in our company's project. Okay, so before I started, so I would like to ask everyone not only just watch my video. If you think that this video is very useful and helpful, can you please, or I need your support. I need the support for everyone, like you subscribe my channel and click the like button if you think that the video is useful, and kindly share if you think that the video is useful and very helpful. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope that everyone seeing this video, well, you can found, or you can get an idea before you do the starting, before you do the final decision, or before the machine will send to your company's project. So this is the procedure. Okay, so at first I would like to show all the pressures that will be the machine will be shows on the monitoring system. We will show it that. Now I'm going to start. I will point this video on the RPM. Wow, very smooth running. You are going to see the oil pressure at idle run of the machine. It's a very high. Okay, if you're looking at the pressure, it's 73. Okay, 73 at first starting. Why? That 73 and the oil, it is in a cooled cold start, so the oil is a little bit good, sticky, and a little bit tight. So we will see after a few minutes of run how the oil will be shows the pressure. Okay, and if you're looking at the RPM, it's a little bit up and down, but that is normal. Okay. So if you observe, okay, the fuel rate shutdown switch is off. Okay, the engine power die rate, it is 100% zero. Okay, engine load factor is to 11%. And fuel oil pressure is engine oil pressure, it's around 72 now at the starting time of 73. And the liver fuel booster, this is the intake booster intake that came from the pressure came from on the turbo. Okay, they have a reading around 6. Maybe if I put a little RPM, so will become out, it will become high. See, and throttle 0 position. I press the pedal. Okay, it is okay. Desired engine speed. So as of now in idle, this is deciding to provide around 950 on idle. Okay, now they automatically they already hit the normal temperature of the engine. That's why the RPM will become less. But if you are not satisfied with that, if you are using a seat ET of the Caterpillar, you can adjust that RPM in here. See, in the service, see this service. When you click this service, you can do the adjustment by selecting configure. Okay, to high or to raise up the idle RPM. Yeah, okay. And the second one, we are already finished in the engine checking of pressure. The second one in the transmission. Number one you need to do is to check the clutch current. Okay, this is very important, and you will see the gear selection. Okay, right now the machine is in a parking, so you can see I will release the parking. Okay, the engine is raise the RPM, and we will start using that as transmission control. Yeah, first gear, so you can see the solenoid engaged from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 engaged 1 and 2. This is the reverse. Okay, actually the position of this transmission solenoid, the first one was assigned on the gear on the flywheel side. It is a reverse. Okay, the second one, it is a forward, and the first gear will be here, the number 1, number 6 going back number. Okay, first gear, second gear, third gear, and fourth gear. So you can see I will adjust in the second gear. the selection. Second gear now. And third gear. Okay. Fourth gear. On forward position. Okay, meaning the current or the power, it is transferring, sending to the solenoid of the transmission, meaning it is working. Reverse position. Okay, see, reverse as I told, and the first gear, second gear, third gear, and fourth gear. So the gear is working well. So about the pressure, I don't have gauge to check the pressure, but normally the pressure, it must be around 450 to 550, or if they can reach around 600, it is okay. But in that procedure, it's, the pressure must be read around 500, 450 to 500. Little bit up on 500, it is okay. Okay, so as of now, we don't have any error. Oh, there is one error. There is torque converter oil temperature sensor. So I think that is only disconnected. But don't worry about that. You can, rectify or fix that problem. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video, well, as my, if you are asking about my testing procedure, this is my way how to test the machine. At first, before we release or send it to our project. Okay. Well, again, thank you for watching. Caterpillar Jurang at your service. Please like, subscribe, and hit all for a notification bell. So for everyone, for somebody, if you are looking about my next video, so you will be notified. Okay. Fan speed is very well. Okay. Fan speed or cooling system very well. And there's no any back pressure on the overhaul. So yung torque converter, it's in there. So maybe after a few minutes, I'm going to go under the chassis or frame. Okay, well, as we can see, the injection actuation pressure will be normally 100%. Okay, that's the great pressure that we found in here, this machine. So that's a very important If this pressure is will be if this pressure will came or lower than normal, so the acceleration of the engine will not become responsive. So you can see and observe the RPM while I'm pressing the pedal or acceleration pedal. See that? Well, the reaction of the engine is very well, okay, and the sound of the engine is very well done well. Very well done well. Sorry, it's well done well. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye. Yeah, that's the idle. With the RPM of around 900. Okay. I don't see any unusual response on the hydraulic or implement. It's very responsive.